Hey everyone, welcome back to the world of paleoanthropology. I'm Seth Choggy, and today we're celebrating a monumental milestone in the field of paleoanthropology, the 50th anniversary of the discovery of Australopithecus afarensis, famously known as Lucy. Lucy here was discovered in 1974 in the Afar region of Ethiopia by Dr. Donald Johansen and his team. The discovery revolutionized our understanding of human evolution. Lucy walked the earth around 3.2 million years ago, and her remains have provided invaluable insights into the early stages of human evolution. Here we have a 3D printed model of Lucy's skull. Isn't it amazing? The detail captured in this model allows us to appreciate the features that make Lucy so special. So let's take a closer look. Lucy had a small cranial capacity, similar to that of a modern chimpanzee, but she exhibited a crucial special feature, bipedalism. Her pelvis and her bones indicate that she walks upright like we do today, bringing the gap between tree-dwelling apes and modern humans closer together than we had previously thought. We can see here a footprint of Australopithecus afarensis, one of Lucy's species. You can get a look at what a femur of an Australopithecus afarensis may have looked like. The discovery of Lucy helped scientists understand that bipedalism preceded the development of a larger brain in hominins. This was a pivotal shift in our evolutionary timeline, showing that walking upright was one of the earliest adaptations in our lineage. 50th anniversary, it's incredible to reflect on how much we've learned since her discovery. Lucy reminds us of our shared heritage and how interconnected we are with our natural world. If you're fascinated by human origins and species like Lucy and learning more things about other hominins just like her, be sure to like, subscribe. For more content from the world of paleoanthropology, find us all over social media. We're going to be making tons of stuff all about human evolution and what it means to be you and me. Be sure to like and subscribe today for more origins content.